24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss the children's responsibility towards their parents. Encourage the children to tell how they can take care of their parents. Ask them to talk one by one. Now, show the picture of a hen and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a hen. It is white or any color. Its name is hen, and it's a bird. Ask the children if they know what it lays. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that it lays eggs. Now, show to the class a picture of house. Frame the questions like you have asked about the hen. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter H and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter H. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the small letter H with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Pickety, pickety, my black hen, she lays eggs for gentlemen, sometimes 9, sometimes 10. Pickety, pickety, my black hen.
Write letter H on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter H and it says H. Say the sound of the letter H. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. H. H. Hen. H. H. Hen. H. H. Hen. H. H. Hen. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of the letter H activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter H on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the top line and move all the way down to the 3rd line. Now move back up and around to the middle and then come back down to the bottom. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter H with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter H in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize H. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter H can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.